Real estate math, plug it in. In section 5 of real estate math, plug it in. What is the area of a triangle? You need to know this formula. Area of the triangle. Base times height divided by 2 equals square feet. Now let's do a problem. Andy purchased a tract of land in the shape of a triangle. There was 100 feet of road frontage and the depth is 195 feet. What is the number of square feet contained in this tract of land? Now let's do the problem. The base is 100 times 195 is the height in the problem, divided by 2 gives you 9,750 square feet for the area of a triangle. And you must know this formula when they ask for the area of a triangle. Base times height divided by 2 equals square feet. Now let's do another area problem. The area of a trapezoid. What is the area of a trapezoid? Base 1 plus base 2 divided by 2 times height equals square feet. You must know this formula for a trapezoid. Base 1 plus base 2 divided by 2 times height equals square feet. And let's do a problem. Danny purchased a lot shaped like a trapezoid. Base 1 was 5 feet and base 2 was 3 feet. And the height was 6 feet. What is the number of square feet contained in this tract of land? Now let's plug in the formula. Area for the trapezoid. We know base 1 was 5 feet, base 2 was 3 feet. So base 1 plus 5 feet plus 3 feet equals 8 feet, divided by 2 equals 4 feet, times the height, 6 feet, equals 24 square feet. And you must know this formula for a trapezoid. Area, base 1 plus base 2 divided by 2 times height equals square feet. And let's do another area problem. The cubic feet. What are the cubic feet? And the cubic feet formula for area is length times width times height equals cubic feet. Or you can say length times depth times height equals cubic feet. You must know this formula for cubic feet. Length times width or depth times height equals cubic feet. Now let's do a problem. The floor space measures 60 feet by 28 and the ceiling is 8 feet high. How many cubic feet of airspace is there? And let's go to the problem. We know that the length is 60 feet and the width is 28. 65 times 28 equals 1,680 and the height is 8 times 8 gives you 13,440 cubic feet. Now you must know this formula for cubic feet. Length times width, or it could be depth times height equals cubic feet. Now let's do another problem of area. On 5.5 area, what is the cost per square feet? The formula, sale price divided by square feet equals cost per square feet. You must know this formula for the cost per square feet. Sale price divided by square feet equals cost per square feet. Let's do a problem. A 1,500 square feet home sold for $130,500. What is the cost of the house per square feet? Now, when we do this problem, $130,500 divided by 1,500 equals $87 cost per square feet. Now let's do the last one. That is for the next to the last one. Area. How to convert square feet to acres. Question: how to convert square feet to acres? You must memorize this number: 43,500 square feet in an acre. Total square feet divided by 43,500 square feet equals acres. Let's do a problem. A small piece of land is 100 by 210 feet. What part of an acre does this represent? And we look at our formula plugged in. We see 100 times 210 equals 21,000 divided by 43,560,000, and your answer will be 0.48. That is 0.48 acres. Now, look back. You must memorize to find how to convert square feet to acres. Total square feet divided by, and you must know this number, 43,560 square feet equals acres. And let's do the last one. How to convert acres to square feet. You have to know 43,560 square feet. You put that in, times your number of acres equals your square feet. Let's do a problem. Jeff purchased a 5-acre tract of land. How many square feet did he buy? And now we see that you memorize 43,560. The total square feet on this for 5.7 is you purchased 5 acres, so you have to know 43,560 square feet yourself, times the number of acres given 5 acres equals 217,800 square feet. You must know the formula for the how to convert acres to square feet. 43,560, you must know that number. Square feet times the number of acres equals square feet.